Warzone 2 has been out for a few months now. The player numbers are just as you would expect from a COD title, however, the state of the game is questionable if we listen to players. The Season 2 is a few weeks away, the player base is frustrated by the lack of content, overpowered mechanics, and a buggy overall experience. In the list of changes that players anticipate in Season 2 is a self-revive nerf. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Currently, self-revives are probably one of the most overpowered and annoying aspects of the game. The main problem is that one can carry numerous self-revive kits in their backpack. This allows them to get knocked out multiple times throughout the day, even in solo matches or if away from teammates, and still not die. This also makes endgame fights incredibly frustrating as some players just stay out of the zone and keep abusing the mechanic. Players are expecting things to be changed in the next major update and have suggested changes to the system. According to some, every player should just spawn with one self-revive kit. Once they use it, it's gone and cannot be acquired in any other way. Another suggestion involves limiting the number of self-revive kits a player can carry to just one at a time. However, this also means that you won't be able to carry some for your teammates. The other one involves adding a cooldown each time a self-revive kit is used by a player. This reduces the chances of them abusing the game mechanic as well. We hope the developers listen to players' feedback and come up with some effective changes. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.